What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with AutoAddict. Thank you for tuning in again. We are here at Extreme Dimensions 13th annual car show event in Fullerton, California. As you can see, we're set up, we're ready to go. The show is already open to the public. We have about 8 cars. We got a couple Camaros, a Mustang, and a couple FRSs. So enjoy the show. Make sure you guys see the highlights. Alright guys, one of my favorite FRS's 2016 custom headlight halo ring, as you can see right here. It's doing its chasing and multiple color function mode. And then one of my favorite things about our headlights is everything is Bluetooth, everything just runs with your phone. You don't need no switch, no nothing. So every time you want to turn them on, you go ahead and turn on the app, and every time you want to turn it off, just go ahead and switch it off with the app. I have a 2015 Dodge Charger with one of my favorite carbon parts as well. As you can see right here, the Hellcat hood, carbon fiber. And then also you go down right under the bumper with we have the APR Racing carbon splitter. And with the T-Rex front grille as well. Gives the car a complete look, definitely better than OEM. We wanted to be aggressive, a little bit more mean, and as well have that carbon creation stuff. Alright guys, we have here a 2016 Ford Mustang rocking the ET350 bumper, and honestly one of my favorite things on this Mustang is that olive green wrap. Just gives it that aggressiveness, that matte look, that mean look as well. Stay tuned for this build. We just got this car with our team. We're going to do a lot of modifications to it. We're very excited to be working with Isaiah, so make sure you guys check him out and then stay tuned as we build the car. Guys, it's Mo here. We have one of my favorite 5th gens that we actually converted to 6th gen style Camaro. The bumper, as you can see right here, we painted it 3-tone, white, black, and red with the lower grille. And also on top of that, we added the 6th gen style headlights right here with our custom DRL boards and halo. Alright guys, we have Wolfie over here, 2018 Chevy Camaro SS, rocking our Michelin setup tires with our FL6 MRR wheels. As you can see, they're gloss black, very high-end tires, very good quality, definitely recommend it. Guys, it's Mo here with AutoAddict. Thank you for tuning in. We're here at our 13th annual, cut that off. Wolfie over here, 2018 Chevy Camaro, 2016 16.